Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my tutorial on print function using Python 3.x. Print function is an inbuilt function. It comes with Python. In order to use this print function, you do not have to import it explicitly, unlike other inbuilt function like time, system, OS. Print function is syntactically different in Python 3.x from Python 2.x. So we pass a parameter in print function that is enclosed in single quotes or double quotes to print that thing out. So we can say a string, but it's hard to say that it's a string. In Python generally we use single quote and double quote also to define a string. So actually it's not like we are passing a string, but we can say it's a string within the print function. So let's get started with a simple print function enclosed in single quotes like hey there. So let's run it out. Yeah, hey there. Now again we can also use double quotes to print this statement hey. Oops, double quote here it is. Now next, what if you want to print like I am a single quote. Let's run this out. Oops, it gives us invalid syntax error. So here we can't use a single quote within the enclosed single quote. So what we can do is, to solve this, we can enclose this string in a double quote. Let's run it again, and here it is. But what if you are insisted to do that thing in a single quote only? So Python gives one functionality of escape character. So we can use backslash. Please don't get confused between backslash and the forward slash. So it's a backslash. Let's run this again, and yes, it printed correctly. So what does escape character do is it escape the next character. So this is how you can print a single quote within the enclosed single quote. Let's move it now. Next, what if you wanna concate two strings? Let's say hey there. So plus sign is used to concate two string, that it will display output like hey there. Instead of plus we can also use comma sign. Here it is. So did you see any difference? Like both the output statement, the first one with plus sign, it gave the output without the space, and comma sign gave the output the space after hey there. So while using concatenation of like plus string, you have to mention or add a space here, and here it is. It will print like this. Now what if you want to concate an integer value with a string using concatenation sign? Let's run this. Yeah, it gives an error that can't convert into object string implicitly. So if you want to print this statement, then you have to explicitly convert this integer value into string value. So we can use here an inbuilt function that is str, and here it is. It printed out hi-fi. So this statement gives an error. What if you print like this hey. Let me comment this out. So this time it gives the different error, that is unsupported operand type. So we can't add string to an integer. So what we can do here is same, like we can convert this integer value to string. Let's say hi-fi hey. Now what if you want to add this string, add this both the values? So is it gonna work? I guess no. Again it gives an error, unsupported operand type. So what you need to do here is you need to explicitly convert this string of 4 into integer value. Now it will return 9. Here it is. So this is how you can play with the print function in Python. One more thing I would like to show you is format. Let's say, hey, I am. So this is the curly braces. This is only supported in the Python 3.x, so we can fill those values using format function. Let's say, hey, sorry, ECDE, I am John. Hope you can, yeah, now you can see. So let's run this. Let me comment those two statements out again. Oh, I made a mistake here. Actually, both should be enclosed and individual. So, yeah, here it is. It printed out, hey, so scored, I am John. So you can explicitly define these values by 0 and 1 index. It has two values, so it will 0 and 1. You can see the output, it is same. You can also interchange both the index value to print this out. So this time it will print as, hey John, I am source code. So that's all I want to show you here. If you have any questions, any queries, feel free to leave them below. Until see you next time. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.